This is going to be a little tip video and a word of caution for you older V8 owners of the M116 and the M117 engines. It's very common for these valve cover gaskets to leak over time. They get hardened, so they have to be replaced from time to time. And on these engines after 1980 that had this evaporative hose, air hose on top of the injectors, it's really hard to see if you're seating that gasket properly. And we're in the process of replacing the fuel injectors in this 380 SL, and we got looking down here, and sure enough, look right there, the gasket is rolled over on that edge and it's leaking oil right in there. Not too bad, but that is the caution that I want to alert you to. Anytime you replace these gaskets and you set the valve cover back down on here, you need to get a really good light. You need to bend the hose and make sure that the gasket has not rolled under the lip of the valve cover, or you're going to end up with a problem like you see here. So we're going to pull this valve cover off while the injectors are out and replace it. So a word to the wise, be real careful and be sure to check the entire area around the valve cover and making sure that the gasket has not rolled under any area before you tighten it down.